Constitution of India was first of all given by? Right answer is option D. M.N. Roy. Which article states about the annual financial statement or budget in the Parliament? Right answer is option D. Article 112. Who has the power to amend the Constitution of India? The correct answer is option C. The Parliament of India. The national emergency in India is declared under which article of the Constitution? The correct answer is option B. Article 352. Who proposed the objective resolution to the Constitution of India? The correct answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of? The right answer is option D. The members of both the Houses of Parliament. Which article deals with duties and powers of the Controller and Auditor General of India? The right answer is option B. Article 149. A constitutional emergency declared by the President has to be approved by Union Parliament within? The right answer is option A. Within 2 months. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions the provision of the Council of Ministers for aid and advice of the President of India? Its right answer is option B. Article 74. Which of the given articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the National Commission for Scheduled Castes? The correct answer is option C. Article 338. The right to education in India is a? The correct answer is option C. A fundamental right. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right according to the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C. Right to property. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The right answer is option A. The Chief Justice of India. Which article provides that there shall be a Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister as its head? The right answer is option D. Article 74(1). Under which article has a provision for the amendment of the Indian Constitution mentioned? The correct answer is option C. Article 368. Which article of the Indian Constitution prescribes Hindi in Devanagari script as the official language of the Union? The correct answer is option B. Article 343. The executive power of the state is bestowed on the governor by which article of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, Article 154. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the sessions of the Parliament? The correct answer is option A, Article 85. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the imposition of the President's rule? The correct answer is option B, Article 356. In how much time the proclamation of emergency must be approved by both the Houses of Parliament? The correct answer is option B, within 1 month. Concept of welfare state in Indian Constitution is included in. The correct answer is option B, Directive Principles of State Policy. Which article of the Indian Constitution empowers the President to grant pardons to any person? The correct answer is option B, Article 72. GST was introduced as which Amendment Act? The correct answer is option B, 101st Amendment Act. Which committee recommended constitutional status to the panchayats? The correct answer is option C, L.M. Singhvi Committee. Who appoints the Advocate General of the state? The correct answer is option D, the Governor. Who is the chairman of the National Integration Council? The correct answer is option D, the Prime Minister of India. The first Health Minister of independent India was? The right answer is option D, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. How many members of Rajya Sabha are elected after every 2 years? The correct answer is option C, 1/3 of the members. Which of the following is not a constitutional post in India? The correct answer is option B, Governor of RBI is not a constitutional post. Who acts as the President of India when neither the President nor the Vice President is available? The correct answer is option C, Chief Justice of India.